Okay, picked up another one. BMW R1250GS, triple black. Pretty much about everything you can think of on this thing. Power, everything, seats, grips, the whole deal. Everybody knows how the BMWs come. It's loaded out with everything. It's a huge departure from the Yamaha Super Tenere 1200. It's definitely a lot more entertaining to ride, a lot more comfortable on the highway on the long runs. It has pretty much all the bells and whistles, and it's a bike that I've been looking to get for a long time. Just never seemed to have been able to get one that was exactly the way I wanted it. But has a little bit of mileage on it, but it's all been well maintained. Everything's been done at the dealer, and the the bike is a one owner. It's had all the correct upgrades, head protection, bigger skid plate. It's got new tires on it. Everything's been serviced. Just had the 12K service done. The guy I bought it from had it done just about a month and a half ago, and that's it. We'll be doing lots of videos with this, doing some reviews. I just picked up a new Climb Cryos Pro carbon helmet, and some other Climb gear, and we're going to be doing lots of stuff out here in West Texas. So lots more to come.